quick video. There's not too much out there on the W124 103 engine. How to remove the alternator was quite simple. So first of all, unclip this. There's one clip here, and the second one sits right there. After that, disconnect this cable. Of course, battery should always be disconnected. After that, you see, it's one bolt that goes through all the way here, and at the bottom, the top one you can reach by placing a 15mm socket wrench. Let me show you. This here. Right there, essentially. Don't have to remove the belt. The belt will come off once you remove the alternator. And then there's a second one down there. You can fish the socket wrench through the bottom and sit it on there, and you can push from here. It's very, very easy. At the end, it just fishes out right through the top. You need to push this here a little bit, this line. Other than that, super simple job. Takes you probably 15 minutes at best.